When will people realize that a monkey cannot thrive only on love? To be healthy and happy, they can't just have love. They have to follow proper husbandry. Come on, guys, you can do better than this. Behind me here is Jinx. It's his fourth day here at us at Monkey Heartland. Tooth broken off, and as a result, his nose is very nasally, and also eyes are swollen. But he's getting better with the medication as well. So, guys, please, you can do better. This cage behind me here is what we call a parrot cage. That's not a cage for them to live in, guys. Why do you want to get a monkey if this is where the monkey is going to land up? This is cruel. This is not right. He's in this cage now for the next 5-6 days for monitoring, and he's going to go a tunnel onto that box on top there, and then he's going to go outside into a tunnel just for recovery, and then after that he will be introduced to his new friends. But guys, this cage behind me here, what we call a parrot cage, is not good enough for them, not for Marmoset or Tamarin. Please guys, do better.